All right, y'all, making those important updates and improvements to your home is really as simple as just updating those appliances. And I'm looking at you because you know you have to. And it's never been more easy or affordable than going to Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom for their Memorial Day sale. I am here at the Lone Tree location. We're right across from the Park Meadows Mall. And of course, I'm here with the lovely Patty Pena, the spokeswoman. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Patty. How are you?
Fantastic. Thank you for asking.
Always. And it's good. I'm feeling the savings, okay? You guys have locations like everywhere. Am I right?
We do. We do. We are the Colorado's largest appliance and mattress dealer with 20 Colorado locations. Yeah, chances are we have a store near you.
Yeah, there's a big
To highlight a few stores, our Parker store at the corner of Lincoln and Parker Road. Our Thornton Supercenter, where I'm at,
Hello.
off of I-25
Hey.
and 84. And we're here today at the Park Meadows store at I-25 and County Line across from the Park Meadows Mall. You can get Memorial Day prices today.
Nice.
And save 30 to 70% off.
30 to 70%.
We received notice from the manufacturer that they will be raising those prices soon.
Okay.
So now is the best time to buy
Okay.
your appliances.
Now, usually there's a special word when we come here. You guys know the wizard word that you come in and say, and it's like a password, you know, like Joe sent me. So what is the word for this to get 30 to 70% off?
Memorial.
Okay, y'all hear that? You come in and say Memorial. We're gonna take a look at the special buys that you can get. Again, Patty said 30 to 70% off. So how does Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom actually get something 30 to 70% off? Are you guys like wizards?
Well, of course we are.
Of course.
What makes us different is our special buys. We truly save customers money when we have exclusive contracts to buy thousands of manufacturer inventory overstocks. When the manufacturer supply chain gridlocks, the manufacturer has to get that product out of the warehouse.
Okay, so it's like a log jam.
Yep, we
Okay.
buy that. It's in the box, overstock product with the factory warranty at a huge discount.
Okay, that's how you guys, you're wizards and you're getting a log jam out of the way.
Exactly.
Okay, unbelievable. Let's go over the special buys. What do we have?
Okay, so we have this this KitchenAid refrigerator and get the range and microwave for free.
Okay, take a look at this refrigerator, guys. I just want you guys to see this. This is what you're gonna buy. Let's see, and you have the ice. Yes, this is my favorite part. Okay, keep going.
This refrigerator sells for over $3,000.
Whoa.
And you get the range and the microwave that's sold for over $2,000 for free.
So this will be free if you get the fridge. This will be free and this will be free. Free, but you have to mention the word Memorial. Okay, fantastic. What else do we have?
Okay, we also have our deluxe 2-rack stainless dishwasher. This fabulous dishwasher MSRP's at $529.
Ooh.
Mention Memorial.
Memorial.
And our price is $299, saving you hundreds.
Unbelievable. $2.99? Unreal, you guys. If you know you have a kaput one and you're always washing by hand, this is $2.99. That's not going to break the bank. Remember to say the word Memorial. All right, what else, Patty? Y'all have some good stuff.
We do. We also have this Whirlpool front load washer and dryer.
Yes.
You buy the washer at $12.98 and you get this dryer for free.
Stop.
And this is over MSRP'd at $1,000. So you buy this washer.
Just the washer.
And you get the dryer for free.
You can thank Tori and Patty for this. This is unbelievable. Insane. What about this guy? I know that's over here.
Yep, this one right here is, so we have lots of, we have thousands of new uncrated appliances with a full warranty. Anytime the box is damaged, the product is shipped back to the manufacturer. We buy that product at a huge discount. We take it out of the box and we make sure it's in new condition.
Okay, you test
Then we
it.
sell it to you at a huge discount. It's a new product with a full warranty.
Whoa.
This right here is our Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator with ice and water.
Oh, that's the best.
It MSRP's at $13.99. You mentioned the word
Memorial.
And our exclusive price is $7.99. Truly saving you hundreds. It's almost 50% off.
You guys, y'all, this is a huge, huge get. And if you are looking to redo your whole kitchen, which some of you are, spring cleaning, spring renovation, this is the fridge to get at 50% off. So Patty and I just shopped a lot and we got a little sleepy. So we're over at the mattress part, the Mattress Kingdom part, and there are really great sales going on here. Can you tell us, first off, which brands do you have? And also, what's a really good deal that people can come in and grab if they need a new mattress?
Of course, we have all the newest mattress brands on display. We have Beauty Rest Black, Purple, Nectar, Casper, Dream Cloud, and Tempur-Pedic.
Oh wow, you're balling.
We do. Plus, we have an exclusive TV offer. We have this Sealy Queen High Burst mattress. This normally sells for $1,800.
Okay.
Mention the word Memorial. And when you buy the mattress at $10.99, you can get a head-up adjustable base for free.
For free. So that's, you guys don't know this thing where you can sit up, you can watch TV, you can eat in bed, you can do your crossword, whatever you guys do in bed, you can do with that. And that is completely free, $10.99 for the set. That's a huge, huge deal. All right, guys, remember, 30 to 70% off at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. They got locations everywhere. If you want to just browse, you can also go to appliancefactory.com. Just look at all the brands. Or like I like to do, I like to come in, see the showroom, meet these lovely people. Patty is a great human being. Everybody here is super kind. They're not pushy. That's the kind of salesperson you really, really want. So remember, go to appliancefactory.com or just come into one of those showrooms to take a look. If you're doing a spring renovation, this is the time to do it with those Memorial Day savings. One more time, the word is
Memorial.
She did it. She did it great. All right. Thank you so much, of course. And Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom sponsored today's segment.